In primetime news this evening, dangerous antics. Authorities shocked by driving gimmicks spurred into action despite mixed reactions from the public. Windrush again?
The government plans to deport 50 people to Jamaica by charter flight next week.
Jamaican detainees in the UK barred from contacting legal representatives days before mass deportation. And dry conditions threatening water supply.
We have to procure more trucks to assist in distributing water.
Drought mitigation measures outlined, but what's new this time? Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Andrew Ladley has our preview.
Yes, Andrea. Well, we've all heard about the Trans-Jamaican Highway initial public offering. But how much do we really know about the company? I'm taking a closer look on the prospectus in the business day, so stay tuned.
Okay, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Karen at the sports desk. She'll tell us what's coming up in the world of sports. Karen.
Well, Herman, the next international tournament for the Reggae Girls is in 2022, and there are fears that the program could be disbanded again. Later, I will tell you what the main stakeholders are saying.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the government calling a by-election in Clarendon Southeastern with a general election likely this year?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.